What's up, Jason Rashad's video? We back to another video. It's been a long time. School started, sports started, and now we wanted to show you a video of the Mentos and the Coca-Cola and the Diet Coca-Cola. Uh-oh. Oh, that was just...
Ready?
Run! Whoa!
Oh man, I need a bigger one next time.
But that was good, you guys. Jason, you say what's up?
Don't
It wasn't in the sewer. But that was a cool video, guys. And so next time we might need more, but it's okay.
Next thing I'm gonna do is see if it'll still do it if I add now baking soda with the Mentos in there.
Are you finna go get baking soda?
I know she didn't just say baking soda.
Baking soda, guys. Let's see. Well, guys, she's winning.
You said baking soda?
All right, guys. Well, that was a cool video. See you in the next video.
She said baking soda. Mom, why?